Do you hate ads before YouTube videos you want to watch? What if I told you that those ads could be the key to making you money and lots of it? In this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, what it actually is, how it works, why it's one of the best business models, and how you can get started as a beginner. In the previous video we talked about my top tools that I use in my business to save time and money and at the same time also make some money. Not a lot of money in that case, but it pays for the subscription fees of the tools I use, so making them basically free. The way this works is with affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing anyway, and how can you make it a major source of income with commission payouts in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars? The principle of affiliate marketing is very simple. You promote products or services from other people or companies, and when there's a sale you earn a commission. Depending on the product, these commissions can be up to 80%, especially for digital products. So you can make a really good money from it. The best case is, of course, when you can promote products that you already use in your online business. Because you know your tools, you can easily talk about them and also genuinely recommend them to your audience. Now, let's quickly take a step back at this point. Why would other people or company pay you such high commissions in the first place and make less money from the sale of their own products? The answer is very simple, because they still make more money this way than they would if they had to spend loads of money on advertising their products. Those people or companies build a loyal audience, followers, fans, and then they incentivize them to promote and sell their products by giving them a cut of each sale. This is a different and very smart strategy. Think about it. It's easier for us to connect to another human than to trust what a company says. And keep in mind that word of mouth is a very powerful and effective form of marketing. Now, when we look at other models of online businesses that you could build up, such as dropshipping, drop servicing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, etc., affiliate marketing stands out to me as the best model of all. Why? Because it's not only easy to get started, but also because you don't need your own product, you don't need a team to get going, you don't need any complicated setup, you don't have to spend a lot of money to build up stock of products in advance, and you can start your affiliate marketing business with little or no investment. You also never have to deal with fulfillment and customer service because the companies and people whose products you promote are responsible for all that. You can build your entire affiliate business around a handful of core products and several supplementary products that you promote to your audience. This puts you in a position that allows you to highly automate your business by using your sales funnels and email marketing automations. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, please watch the videos I made previously on these topics. After all, a high degree of automation is our ultimate goal, so we can stop trading our time for money and instead gain more time and money to do what we love to do, more time for family, for traveling, for whatever your main reason is in the first place to pursue an online business that can work for you. What we're talking about here is the praised passive income that everybody wants. You can get started with affiliate marketing very quickly, but it's precisely because it's so easy that you have to stand out from the rest. You have to offer something that is unique to you. We're going to talk about how we do this a bit later in the video. So please watch till the end, because I'm also going to be talking about another topic and two opportunities for you. The first thing you need when you get started is obviously products that you want to promote. In order to be able to choose the products, you need to be clear in what niche you want to be in. This is very important. You need to find your niche and narrow down into a sub-niche because, as the saying goes, if you sell to everyone, you sell to no one. You need to find your kind of people, your community, your tribe, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to speak to everyone. You only want to speak to your audience, talk to their pain points, and help them solve their problems. So how do you find your niche and your sub-niche? You might have heard that the three top niches are health, wealth, and relationships, and basically everything falls into one of these. For example, Niavimi, my business, my company, is all about helping driven entrepreneurs start and grow their location-independent online business with a focus on affiliate marketing and using the Estonian e-residency program for your remotely managed company. That's quite specific and narrowed down in the wealth niche, but this way I can build my audience, my brand around this. That's what I'm interested in, that's what I like talking about, and that's why I do what I do to help my people, my audience succeed with it. This brings us to the first of 3 points that you have to think about when brainstorming your niche. Passion. Ask yourself what you're passionate about. What do you like talking about for hours? It's important that you spend your time and energy on a niche and products you're passionate about. Otherwise, you're gonna have a very hard time building a sustainable business. The second point is expertise. Ask yourself, what are you good at? But also ask your friends, your family. Everyone is good at something. If everyone you know calls you when they have computer problems, well, you are obviously good at solving them. The third point is demand. If you're really passionate about something and also very good at it, but there's no demand, you won't be able to make money from it. Another bad example would be to focus on something you're good at and there is a demand for it, but you're not passionate about it. In this case, you could probably make some money, but because you don't really like doing it, you will lose your interest over time and give up quickly. That's why it's really important to focus on something that's in the area where these three aspects overlap. Do your research to make sure there's a demand for what you want to focus on. The way you can do this is just by Googling for your sub-niche. If you see that many products are being sold in this area, you know there's a demand. You can also go to big affiliate networks, for example clickbank.com, where you can check out their marketplace and search for categories and products. If there's a demand, many products are being sold successfully. And don't fear competition. Competition is good because it shows us that there is a demand. Once you think you've decided on your sub-niche that you want to focus on, it's time to find affiliate products that you can promote. When you search for products to promote, pay attention to some key points that make a good affiliate product. First of all, only focus on products in your niche, obviously. Next, focus on digital products such as software, tools, online courses. Why? Because the commissions are much higher than for physical products. Ideally, you want to promote products that you already use yourself in your life or your business. This makes you much more credible and trustworthy when you talk about them or make a review video or tutorial about them. Also, with digital products, you can simply download and test most of them for a couple of weeks. On the other hand, if you want to record a credible unboxing or review of any physical product, you have to order it first, which might take some time depending on where you live or when you live a more location-independent lifestyle where your address frequently changes. One of the best things you can do is to promote affiliate products that pay out recurring commissions, which are usually software and other tools with monthly or yearly subscription fees. But do not exclusively focus on such products. It's great if you can promote a few of these products with recurring payments, but also promote other individual products with a one-off payment in your sub-niche. Now that you know what to look out for, let's talk about how you can find such affiliate products in the first place. As mentioned earlier, promote the ones that you know and already use, but also simply Google for product name affiliate program and check if a product you know has an affiliate program or not, or search for your niche affiliate programs. You can also find lots of products to promote on affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc. Going back to what I said at the beginning of the video, another great trick to find products you could potentially promote is by watching ads. What? You've probably seen thousands of ads already that play before the video you want to watch on YouTube, right? We all click those ads away, but now you have to think differently. Think like a marketer. You want to promote and sell new products as an affiliate so you can earn commissions. So next time you see an ad on YouTube, watch it. Click that button, go through the training or the webinar they talk about. Check out how their sales funnel is set up. Look at the product and the upsells on the back end. Ask yourself if this product fits your sub-niche. Would your audience be interested in it? Then simply Google for that product name, affiliate program, to check if they offer one. As an online marketer, don't hate ads, let them inspire you or turn them into your next income stream as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing and making money with it is not about your niche, your sub-niche or your products. Yes, there are, of course, differences among all the individual niches and there are more or less profitable products everywhere. But in the end, your success comes down to the value you provide to people, to your audience. Of course, everyone wants to make some quick cash, so most people sign up for an affiliate program, grab their link and just throw it out there on their posts, their profiles, wherever they can, just hoping that someone would click those links so they can earn their sweet commission. But guess what? Nothing's gonna happen. And then these exact people will complain and whine that affiliate marketing doesn't work. Let's face it, most people are lazy. They see something like affiliate marketing and think, oh, I'll do this for 3 days, I'm gonna be a millionaire. But honestly, ask yourself, if you just throw out your affiliate links all over the internet, why would someone click on that link and buy from you? Nobody knows who you are, as harsh as this might sound. Have you ever heard of me before you ended up watching this video here? See? You need to build your brand, your reputation, so people can get to know, like and trust you. Online marketing, and especially affiliate marketing, is all about providing value and genuinely helping people. Do something, give something, help them solve a problem they have. Help your audience succeed, and you will succeed. And the bigger the problems you solve, the more money you can make. There are many ways to do that, but when it comes to affiliate marketing, I'd suggest you first focus on creating content around tutorials, reviews, and also share tips and personal experiences and stories. Tutorials are a great way to help someone solve a problem, and at the same time, tutorials help you position yourself as an expert in your niche. People begin to trust and like you when they realize that you can help them in an efficient way. When you create reviews of a product that you use or want to promote, you can mention some features of the product in your content, but definitely keep your focus on the benefits, because it's not what about the product is, it's what the product does for people and what that means for them. People buy products that solve their problems and or satisfy their desires. Always keep that in mind. Lastly, content in which you share personal stories and tips with your audience makes you relatable. They make you human. Use these personal, inspirational stories to build trust in the relationship with your audience. Share your experiences and give tips and advice. Once you know which products you want to promote, you need traffic. And whenever you hear the word traffic in the context of online marketing, always keep in mind that this traffic is people. If you want to drive traffic, you want people, humans, to see your landing page, your offer, and hopefully turn them into your customers. There's free traffic and there's paid traffic. And our goal with both of these types of traffic is to turn them into traffic we own. What this means is that we need to build our email list. If you watch my previous video about email marketing, did you? Then you know why this is a very important part in any online business and why it's absolutely crucial in an affiliate marketing business. Please watch it later if you haven't already. Free traffic includes all kinds of traffic sources where you can use your social media profiles or your free content to get people to your landing page. This could be on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, your YouTube channel, your blog, etc. Which platform you should use depends on your sub-niche. It's very simple. Figure out where your audience already is and go there. Use that platform. An addition or alternative to free traffic is paid traffic. This could be paid ads on search engines or social media platforms, for example. Another form of paid traffic is solo ads. Solo ads are a way to send traffic and clicks to your landing page by using someone else's email list. And most solo ad vendors have email lists of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people. You can find links to solo ad platforms I have used on my resources hub. Link in the description below. So with paid traffic, you can get a lot of people to your landing pages and your offers very quickly, much faster than with free traffic, unless you are very lucky and go viral with a video. But in order to use paid traffic, you obviously need some money to start. The big advantage of building up your content on YouTube or on a blog is that it can still generate passive income years from now because people will still find it, whereas paid ads will stop showing as soon as you stop paying. The same goes for content on social media platforms. Your posts disappear quickly and no one sees them ever again. So now that you know your sub-niche, found the products you want to promote, and figured out on which platform your audience already is, it's time to set up your landing pages and email marketing to turn your business into automated passive income streams. I've already covered how this works in previous video on this channel, so please check them out. From here on out, it's all about creating content and bringing people into your world. Build an audience and relationships with the people you serve. Help them solve their problems or satisfy their desires with what you do in your business. Focus and do not stop. You will succeed if you stick with it and don't give up too soon like most people. As we've just talked about landing pages, a quick heads up. In the next video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how you can easily create your landing pages in minutes. So please subscribe and turn on notifications that you don't miss it. Now let's get back to what I mentioned earlier in the video. You need to stand out from everyone else promoting the same products by offering something that is unique to you. There can be a lot of competition in your niche, even in your narrowed down sub-niche you specialize in. But don't think of this as a problem. Use it to your advantage. How? How could you possibly outcompete everyone else who promotes the exact same product as you? One word: bonuses. By adding your unique free bonuses to the product you promote, you can stay ahead of your competition. When there are many people promoting the same product, get an idea or inspiration by looking at what they offer for free on top. Then put together a combination of valuable things that could further help your audience and are unique to you. This could be a free online training or a one-on-one coaching or onboarding call, for example. Or you could offer done-for-you templates that you usually sell as standalone products, but when they sign up with your link now, they get these templates for free. You can offer free ongoing personal support via email or even phone if you want. There are so many ways you can put together your stack of bonuses and with that create an irresistible offer with the product you promote. Creating your own bonuses takes time, it takes work, but if this is what it takes to be more successful and make more profit, then just do it. Do whatever you need to do. And remember, you can create these bonuses like your video tutorials, your written ebooks, or any other pieces of your content just once, and then give them away to hundreds or thousands of people. The return you get thanks to your bonuses can exceed your effort many times over. Now we've already touched on a lot of topics in this video that help you get started with affiliate marketing, but we can go much more in depth and also talk about other very important key aspects when building an affiliate marketing business. should you be interested. At the beginning of the video, I promised you 2 opportunities. One of them is my free Succeeder Secrets affiliate marketing course, which is one of a series of 4 free courses. At the time of recording, this particular course has not yet been published, but there's a link down below where you can sign up for the waitlist. In return for joining the waitlist, you have the chance to complete a short questionnaire and express your wishes regarding the topics you would like to see included in this free course. Depending on when you watch this video in the future, all the Succeeder Secrets courses will already be live and the questionnaire is no longer available. So check it out, it's free. The second opportunity is that you can get access to my list of some of the best affiliate programs I personally use. There's a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos about starting and growing your successful online business. In the next video, we're gonna build a landing page step by step so you can start collecting email addresses. I'm Sascha Meier, helping you succeed smarter.